What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Krusty the Clown from The Simpsons. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle. Start by going around the left side, across the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to draw two large circles for the eyes tucked in behind the nose. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to go all the way around, come down, and then in towards the side of the nose. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height, and then in towards the side. In the center of each eye, we're going to draw a black dot for the pupils. Right where the eyes meet the side of the nose, we're going to draw a curve that goes out and then down along the sides. Now let's move down and draw a large curve, coming down and then up across the mouth. Let's add a bracket on the ends. Now let's add in the teeth. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a series of curves coming down and up, and then we'll continue all the way across towards the right side. Let's go underneath the teeth and draw a curve opening the mouth, coming down and then up. Now we're going to add the tongue across the bottom, starting on the left, going up and down in the middle, go up and then down towards the right. Now let's fill the top half of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw in the cheeks, going around the corner of the mouth, and we'll bend that in towards the mouth. Let's go back to the left side. Close off the chin, coming down, across, and then up. Underneath the eyes, we're going to close off the cheeks, going out and then down. Let's go up and add that bump around the edge of the brow, going around the eye and then in. Go back to the left side and go up and then in towards the top of the head. Let's draw the base of the hair, starting on the left, coming down and up, add one curve in the middle, and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to work our way up, starting back on the left, going up and then in. Go back to the left side, curve this up and over towards the right, and just bend the right side. Now I'm going to go back to the base of the eyes, draw the ears. We're going to go up and bend that in towards the cheeks. Let's add a fold along the inside. Now we want to extend the hair coming out from the side. Let's start from the brow, going up and then down. Go up and down again. I'm going to start to bend this down towards the bottom and then add one more curve. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. We're going to start from the top of the brow. Start to bend this down. Let's go back to the left. We're going to add a point coming in. And it's going to draw some curves coming in towards the cheek. Then we'll do the same thing on the right. Start with that curve. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the bow tie. We're going to start with a circle in the center, and then from the bottom, bend the bow coming down and out, round to the side, and go up towards the head. Let's go to the side of the knot and add two folds. On the side of the bow, we're going to curve the body, going out and then down towards the stomach. Now we're going to go out and then bend that in towards the hips. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to add a straight line going across in towards the bow. And then from the hips, we're going to step up, add the edge of the shirt, curving this up and then down. Let's move to the center, add a curve in between the legs, leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left side, bend this down and then up towards the toes. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now step back up bend this up, and then in. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and add a fold. So we're going to step up, bend the leg, going out, and then down on top of the feet. Now I'm going to add one more seam across the bottom of the leg, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start from the top of the body, bend this out, and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's curve the wrist, coming around and then in. And we'll follow that same curve coming in towards the side of the body. Along the inside, add one more curve for the sleeve. Around the outside of the wrist, we're going to draw a thick band. We're going to go up, follow that curve coming down, and just tuck that in along the bottom. Now we're going to be opening up the hand, starting from the top, go up towards the top of the thumb, and then bend that down. And then from the base of the thumb, bend this out and then down with a short line. Now we want to add 3 fingers on the end. Let's start with the top one, going out and then in. We're going to round up the inside of each finger, go to the second finger, and then back in. Add the third finger, and then bend this in towards the bottom of the cuff. Add a seam across the middle. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a cartoon illustration of Krusty the Clown. Alright, now I'm going to try to draw Krusty as Pennywise, and I'll stick to the same basic shapes and details. I'll focus on the head and costume because that's what makes this character really stand out. This is a great exercise to help develop your creative skills, and this is a fun exercise you can do with any character. And hey, if you had fun today, hit that subscribe button because I post new drawing lessons every single day. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.